and today we're doing a really cute little jar of ice cream, and it's like room decor that you can put down. So let's get started. So there's a couple different options that you can do starting off. So the first option is this one, where it's just the jar with the cute little face or maybe some words or whatever decoration you want. And then there's the lid screwed on. But then you can also do the lid screwed off, and you can just have like a plastic spoon that's like this. Or you could put a little straw outside or in it, and then have it be like a milkshake. So what you need is a glass jar. It can be like any texture or anything. You need a glass jar. You need a spoon if you're gonna do the second idea where it's like in it. And then you need Sharpie markers. And then you need cotton balls. You can decorate the cotton balls with like markers or like dip it in paint or something. If you want it colored, you can do that. I'm not going to, but you can do that. That's another idea. Oh yeah, I got a manicure and pedicure. Both French. And yeah. And anyway, so the first step is to open up your jar and put some cotton balls in it. So you can have it cotton balls in form, and that will look like this. Or second option is you can find a corner and just peel it off. Keep on puffing it like this, and then put it in. I feel like if you were doing ice cream, you do like full ones, like this, because I feel like that looks more like ice cream. If you were doing like a milkshake, I feel like the fluffed up ones would be better, but it's your decision. So I already did a milkshake, so I'm going to do an ice cream. So yeah, so you really want to pack it in like this. So it's like really like push it down so you can add more, and add like 4 or 5 at a time, I'd say would be the best thing to do. And then you can do it as high as you want. I'm doing it like this high, so it's not sticking together. So like that. And then next up is to decorate it. I'm gonna do, for this one, it's gonna say ice cream right here, and then have some sprinkles. So yeah, I'll show you my finished project. So this is my finished product. It says ice cream and then sprinkles. And then I actually realized that you can actually add sprinkles to your ice cream cup if you want to. So the first idea is toothpick sprinkles. So you're gonna pick one color. You don't have to, so you're gonna pick a color or pick a toothpick and then cut it off till it's like as short as you want. It can be as short as you want. I think a reasonable size is like that. All right, where's the camera? That's there. And then the second idea is, so yeah, paper sprinkles. So just cut a piece of paper and color them and put those in. And then, yeah, those are the two ideas I have for DIY sprinkles. Or you could use like clay and paint them after, but yeah. I like this idea, the toothpick one. So yeah, but that's my video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit that like button for more videos. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye. Definitely try this craft out because it's really cute. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video.